Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. C, and this is Math Defined. Today we're solving one-step algebraic equations using reciprocals. First, let's review what a reciprocal is. The reciprocal of a number is what you get when you flip the numerator and the denominator. For example, the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. And the reciprocal of -2/5, that's -5/2. Easy, right? But why do we care about reciprocals? Because they help us solve equations where a variable is multiplied by a fraction. The reciprocal lets us cancel out the fraction to isolate the variable. Let's see how this works. Our first equation is 3/4 h equals -12. To solve for h, we multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. On the left, the fractions cancel each other out, leaving h, and on the right, we multiply -12 by 4/3. We can write -12 as a fraction, -12/1, to make it easier to multiply. Now we can see that -12 and +3 share a common factor of 3. So we can use cross-cancellation to make the numbers smaller and the calculations easier. Now we multiply the numerators. -4 times +4 is -16, and then the denominators, 1 times 1 is 1. We can simplify this fraction to just -16. So h equals -16. Let's check our solution to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. We'll substitute -16 in place of h in the original equation. Before multiplying, we'll use cross-cancellation, and then multiplying the numerators, +3 times -4 is -12, and we can see the denominator will be 1, resulting in -12. The equation is balanced, so the solution is correct. Next, we have 8 equals -2/5 x. To solve for x, we do the same thing. Multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -2/5, which is -5/2. The fractions on the right cancel to 1, leaving just the x. On the left, multiply -5/2 by +8. We'll write +8 as a fraction first, then cross-cancel 2 and 8 using a shared factor of 2. And then multiplying the numerators, -5 times +4 is -20, and the denominators, 1 times 1 is 1, resulting in -20 equals x. Completing a quick check by substituting -20 in place of x, we can see that our answer is correct. Now for -4/9 g equals -3. Again, we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -4/9 to isolate the variable g. The left side simplifies to just the variable g, and on the right side, multiplying the numerators, -3 times -9 is +27, and then the denominators, 1 times 4 is 4. So g equals 27/4, or 6 3/4 as a mixed number. To check our solution, we will replace the g with the fraction 27/4 in the original equation. Cross-cancellation will make the calculations easier, resulting in -3. The last one, 26 equals -8/5 w. Can you solve this on your own? To solve for w, multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -8/5. On the right, the fractions cancel each other out, leaving the variable w, and then we'll multiply the fractions on the left. We have some larger numbers here, so let's use cross-cancellation to make it easier. 8 and 26 share a common factor of 2, giving us 4 and 13. Multiplying the numerators, -5 times +13 is -65, and the denominators, 4 times 1 is 4. We could simplify this improper fraction further, but I'm choosing to leave it the way it is. It's not always necessary to simplify every time. Next, one last check of our solution. Using cancellation with these numbers is going to make this much easier. Multiplying the numerators gives us positive 26, and then the denominators gives us positive 1, so our solution is correct. Reciprocals are where it's at when solving equations where a variable is multiplied by a fraction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.